Okay, welcome to Smartware YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you a free text-to-speech app to use for your faceless YouTube channel. We can all agree that so many text-to-speech applications are being paid. Like for example, 11 Labs. If you are using 11 Labs, you notice that it has a price tag, and the free version has some limitation. If you go to Chatterbox, resemble.ai, the same thing happens. So but today I'll be showing you a free platform that you can use just for your text to speech app and use for your faceless YouTube channels with real voices. Now, please, before we move on, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And the only way you can support us is by subscribing if you like what we are doing in this YouTube channel. So we have a lot of videos on this YouTube channel. The last video I did was how to get Quiboot Premium for free after Violent Monkey has been removed. So let's dive straight into it. You can see this is 11 Lab, which is paid. Chatterbox is also paid. It was free before, but all these things are paid now. This is text to speech app, developed by SmartWave. You can see how the interface is like. So I'll be dropping the link of this app, and also I'll be showing you on this video how it works. Now, how do you make use of this? When you log into this, you don't need to log in. When you click on this site, now you can see a download button here. If you come down, you can see a download button here. You can click on your download. Then for those of us in Africa, you can see it keeps rotating. Then what you need to do is this. If it keeps rotating this way, go to your, if you have any VPN, just on your VPN. For those of us in Africa here, on your VPN. Okay, let me allow it to load. Click on your VPN. I hope it's not network issue. Okay, it has connected. So click on your VPN, come back to the site, refresh it, right? When you refresh it, come back and click on download. Now let me click on download. Now you can see it has started downloading already. Okay, so now from this site you can see this is being powered by Microsoft Edge TTS. You can say Edge TTS app is a lightweight window desktop application built with Python and lets you convert English text into high quality speech using Microsoft Edge TTS voices. So we have a lot of voices on this, so we'll be making use of them, and this is how the interface looks like, and it's totally free, which you can use, and you can support them through this you can support Mainstack, you can support SmartWave through this, and also contact through this email, because this app is being developed by SmartWave. So let's allow it to download, and we'll continue from what we are doing. Now you can see that this has finished downloading. Now before I move on, this is a laptop application. This app gives you 5 flags. It's a laptop application, so that means it will not work with your phone. You can see that the extension is exe. It will not work with your phone. It will not work with an Android. So it's just a laptop application. So if you don't have a laptop, you can't make use of this application. So another thing, you can see that it's finished downloading, as I said. So let me show you how you can go about it. Then you go to the place that you downloaded this app. It is zipped here, right? All you need to do is what? Unzip this, right click on it. Now you see extract, or just extract this. I will extract it from the same directory that it's downloaded, so I will extract. You can see it has extracted, right? If you extract it, you can see the extracted one here. When you click on this, now still click on the folder to open it. Now this is the app. Before you run the app, click on this readme to note about the antivirus warning. Some virus software may block or warn you about this file because it is not dignified site or from recognized publisher. This is common false positive. And so what is this thing is trying to say? That if you have antivirus in your phone, due to there is no digital signature signed on this, it may tell you that it contains virus, which is a lie. So you can run the virus check here before you make use of it. But the beauty of this app is this: you don't need to like install it in your laptop. Immediately you download them, it's there. So all you need to do is just click on it and you see run the application. You can see this file does not have a valid digital signature that verifies its publisher. You should only run software from publisher you trust. So just you definitely see this warning, but you just what run this, right? Run it. Let's wait for it. Very good. You can see that it has already loaded. Now you have a lot of interfaces here. Now this app, you have a lot of voices from here. Yes, you can see a lot of voices that you can choose for your text to speech. Now you can also load files, text to file. For example, on download you have a file here. This is a book I wrote. You want to convert your book to text, you can easily um save it as a text and load it to your this thing and load it. You can see and load it. You can see it here, so it doesn't waste any time. Then you can preview voices.
This is a voice preview using.
So you can check different voices. So a lot of voices here to choose. So but I love using this particular voice here. Where is it? Starts with R here. uh Ryan. I love using this voice. Ryan is so natural. Now, and the beauty of this app is this: it doesn't have limitation of words that you can paste there. For example, now you can paste any amount of words, unlike level now that will tell you have only 5,000 words. So as this thing is like this, you can copy. Let me copy this here. Let me copy this and paste it on the app. Paste it here. You see it. So you click on what? Speak.
The most realistic voice AI platform. AI voice models and products powering millions of developers, creators, and enterprises. From low-latency conversational agents to the leading AI voice generator for voiceovers and audiobooks.
Now you can see it's finished reading. So after reading, you can see status ready. You can click on save, then maybe on download and save it. Voice V1. Let me just save it as V1. As V1. Now it has saved. Now immediately there is another thing. Immediately you play this voice, it automatically save for you in that particular folder. So if you don't want to save it here, you can see here, if you don't want to save it, which you saved as V1. Now in that your folder here, in that your folder, see the voice output here, you can play it automatically.
The most realistic voice AI platform. AI voice models and products powering millions of developers, creators, and enterprises. From low-latency conversational agents to the leading AI voice generator for voiceovers and audiobooks.
So it's still the same thing as this particular one that you saved on your own.
Voice AI platform. AI voice models and products powering millions of developers, creators, and enterprises. From low-latency conversational agents to the leading AI voice generator for voiceovers and audiobooks.
So as this is how it works, and it's totally free. So if you open, it's totally free. Only thing is that if you want to support us, which is the developers, you just click on main stack. Click on main stack, right? Let's allow it to load. Click on main stack, then go to coffee, buy us coffee. Now you can click on this send. and supports us, supports the developer. You can choose any currency from here, euro and all that. As little as 2 point something euro, you can choose any currency at all that you want to send, you know and support the developers. But this application is totally free, for those of you that have what's it called, faceless YouTube channels in which you make use of. Now, if you go to, let me show you, if you go to this video here, uh, there's a video here. Let me show you guys this. If you go to this channel here, let's open this. So let's go to this channel here. Now this particular video is being done by using text to speech smartwave app.
Martin Scorsese was born on November 17th, 1942.
Now you can see how realistic the voices are, because the voices are from Microsoft Edge TTS.
In Queens, New York, but his real home was just a few miles south, tucked deep in the dense, gritty streets of Manhattan's Little Italy. A neighborhood alive with flavor, tradition.
So if you like this, subscribe, try out the app. Instead of using 11 Lab and all those platforms that you pay, this particular one is actually free for you to make use of. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.